Well, a bit of an update this morning. The DK camp has been vacated by the current crew. Apparently, I knew they weren't very happy about mixing cement by hand, but apparently they can't continue. So Nim's bringing in a new crew. I don't know the full ins and outs, but I think it's all money related, stage payments, etc. I did find out that the labour costs were going to be 170,000 baht for everything up to putting the steel roof on. So all the steel, all the ring beams and all the posts and everything, and they weren't very happy that they had to mix all the concrete by hand on the shuttering, not enough shuttering, and as a result it took longer than they anticipated, and they couldn't agree on a compensation for that. So yeah, apparently we are getting a new crew today, and we're supposed to have the whacker plate come today as well. So watch this space. Not worried, but I'm a bit frustrated. Never mind. I guess this is all about self-builds. Where it don't matter where you are, whether it be the UK, America, or Thailand, or anywhere in Europe, or anywhere in the world, you're always going to have little hiccups. Unfortunately, I can't do it at this stage on my own, so we're going to have to rely on Nim to come up trumps with the next build crew. So, watch this space. Well, it's a lovely day down on this build site. It's about 9:30 now, and to his word, Nim sent the next build crew. There's a couple of ladies and 3 guys. They're taking out all the shuttering off the last of the beams, and we've done the niceties, wired each other, and they bought a lovely whacker plate. So hopefully by the end of the day, hopefully we'll see they've levelled this all off. But I'm not sure whether they're going to stay here though. We'll see. So it's an end of the day down at Dong Quan, our build site. Looks like the whacker platers have had a good day. Everything seems as though it's looking good. Very happy to see this. Very happy indeed. First half of slab poured. Caught me napping. Wasn't expecting them to have this done this morning. Anyway, I don't think they're going to. I think they're going to finish laying out the mesh and the plastic, etc. on the rest this afternoon for another pour tomorrow morning. Well, that's what I believe. But we'll wait and see, shall we? There we go. All ready for the next pour tomorrow. I don't know whether that'll be the next day, I don't know, but we'll see. But yeah, coming on, it's progress. Can't say as I'm too excited about what they call their damp-proof membrane, but hey ho, it's not that important or crucial at this stage of the build. It's not. It just makes me chuckle. So much for damp proof, there's so many gaps in it, the damp would all come through it, but hey ho. Still arriving for our roof structure. My God, that's early. Hopefully they got the rebar in there as well for the rest of the ring beam. And then also the concrete's arrived for the second pour on the slab. So they're cleaning the steel before they paint it. They've already done most of it while we've been out this morning. But, yeah. Clean before they put the grey primer on. Very good. Okay, the guys are finishing up for the day today. I think the complexity of it is not confusing them, but it's quite difficult. So essentially there's an inner and outer hexagonal framework, and then that's all tied between the posts going across the building as well. So subsequently this is the supports for what will eventually be the ring beam, shuttering and rebar frames, and they'll all tie in with all the posts all the way around. It's a couple of days, 3 days work. These 3 guys are on site, so they're working right up till 5 o'clock. The other robots have disappeared off. So yeah, they've put string lines between all the posts to make sure they get the right angles and right height. The actual height is 800 mil, so 80 centimeters high, and then they're going to put a 60 centimeter by 30 centimeter ring beam, and that'll tie it all in together and make it very, very strong. So I think they've got a week at this, or maybe less, before we start to pour any concrete. But I'm hoping they're going to do it all in one hit. So that's the update for today on the last episode, on the episode 7 of Gary and Mon's house build. Hope you've enjoyed it, and until next week, goodbye.